How can I fulfill my agreement with other people? I cannot even fulfill my agreement with myself. That I am also flow sweet, but I also have plans. I'm also thinking, but I also have feeling. I go for introversion, I also go for extroversion. When I need to go details, I'm very detailed. But when I need to go bottom line. So it's really a practice of mixing all. Because what I don't want is, okay, I'm an introvert. So you have to panindigan that introvert ka. I'm an extrovert, but there are times you don't want to be. So therefore, all of these tests are great, except that when you start owning up that personality, that is not you. Who you are is limitless being, and therefore you can be who you want to be. But are you willing to stretch yourself to a capacity of how you can be more effective? Because in the end, if you just practice one side of you, you're just gonna influence 25% of the people. You wanna influence everyone. So if you notice your family, different behavior. But I feel they all love me. Why? Because when I'm with you, wow, he's like me. It's just really staying in all personality. So the invitation here is, yes, that's my current favorite style, but you know what? I can expand.
What Marcella told me about yesterday, because like we were just talking, I said, like, Marcella, you know what? I really feel a block. Before, just in a matter of 3 to 4 months, coach, right after our Empowered, parang nabablock talaga ako. I cannot breathe easy. Parang siyang very shallow breathing, clear lang. I forget a lot of things. Parang siyang, I keep on wondering, is there something wrong with my brain? Nag-Alzheimer's na ba ako? Parang ganun. And then Marcella told me that, you know what, you have to, yung mga chakra, coach, no? You have to be aligned. And so she said, like, you know what, those introvert, extrovert, you can easily shift if your chakras are all open. So I said, okay. I went to India, I did not understand that. I only, like, you know, medyo natahi ko na lang lahat with my conversation yesterday. And also with this one. So that's why it's very good.
And I think the block there is really what has been my coping mechanism for me to survive. So for your coping mechanism is really just, okay, I'm not affected. So nothing wrong except it becomes now what? Numb. Sabi mo na, manhid. Now you don't feel, you don't have compassion anymore. The strangest part is you don't have compassion towards yourself, and then it revolves around other people.
I don't need to clear with anybody. I have cleared everybody during my breakthrough. It's with me. Parang a lot of broken promises, a lot of unfulfilled wishes that I myself keeps on breaking it, and I feel like parang kaya ko ba to? There's now the self-doubt. Will I be able to do it?
You know where self-doubt comes in? When you start breaking your promise to you. Now, how can I fulfill my job? How can I fulfill my agreement with other people? I cannot even fulfill my agreement with myself.
That's exactly what it is. So, I don't know, Coach, I hope that, you know, I'll be able to be friends with myself again.
Be best friends.
Be best friends.
Be best friend with your wicked and good side, di ba?
Embrace even the wicked.
Have you seen For Good, The Wicked?
No, sir. No, I have not really seen it.
You watch it because it really speaks about we are both wicked and good. But the bigger question here is sometimes the real good are the wicked, and the people who looks good are the real wicked. And I love it simply because it turns around that the moment you start owning up your shit, and then you don't keep your shit, you start releasing your shit, and then create a fertilizer around that shit, you'll move to your next level. And I think that's where a lot of things that we're doing, the self-awareness, the self-confrontation, that yeah, this is not working, this is shitty, okay, I don't want this, I want something else. So can you imagine, this is my everyday life. So I'm gonna share with you, show them every time I pass here. I'm excited. The weather is just so perfect. So what a beautiful life. So my goal next year, at least 80% I'm staying here. So 20%, I just love this. So love this place.